A favorite stitch of mine, both utility-wise and decorative, is the triple straight stitch on the Husqvarna Viking Designer EPIC 2. It is stitch number 12 in the center needle position, but it's also 11 and 13 if we want it to just instantly move to the far left needle position or the far right needle position. So let me stitch this out real quick so you can see what it actually looks like, so I can tell you what it's capable of doing. I'm going to just go ahead and use the start-stop button. It's going to go ahead and do 2 stitches forward and 1 stitch back. So it's 3 stitches on top of itself. So it's a very reinforced stitch. I just touched the scissor button while I was sewing. It went to the end, it locked it, and cut it all at once. So this stitch is not only reinforced, it looks like it is stitched with thicker thread. So I always tell my students, if instead of running to the store to get thicker thread, just use the stitches that are heavier in the machine. So, and the reason I sewed it on the diagonals, because I want you to see that it's actually considered a stretch stitch. It will not pop when I stretch. You need a good reinforced stitch, say on the seat of your pants where the crotch is. There's going to be a lot of bend in there that will definitely hold as you are stitching. If you've ever had to stitch something 3 times just to get it to really be reinforced, it's going to look like it's homemade. Look at that. Doesn't that look like a professional looking stitch? The stitch length is automatically moved to 3. It's beautiful as you go longer, and it's really fun in variegated thread. If you had headed to the store for hot pink thick thread, it doesn't exist. All you have to do is put on the thread you want at the top, pick the stitch, and sew. How about for fun? And I am using the foot A, that's with the IDF feature with the opening. So this is pulled down in the back side for easy guiding. But let me stitch out the zigzag version of this stitch. We could make it longer, wider if we want to as well. So we'll just go ahead and see. And just a reminder that what you see on the screen is actual size. And this is a perfect example to show you. As I put this up to the screen, you see exactly the stitch on the screen and the stitch on the fabric are identical. Again, great stitch, reinforces everything that you need there, no matter what your project is.